Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated smartphones of 2026, the Sony Xperia VIII. Sony has been quietly redefining mobile innovation, and the leaks we've seen so far suggest this could be their most powerful flagship yet. Imagine a phone built for creators, gamers, and cinephiles, all in one sleek package. That's exactly what Sony seems to be cooking up. Stick around, because I'll break down the rumored specs, design upgrades, and why the Xperia VIII might just be the sleeper hit of 2026. First up, let's talk design and display. Sony is expected to keep its signature tall 21.9 aspect ratio, which is absolutely perfect for that cinematic viewing experience. Rumors are pointing to a stunning 6.7-inch 4K HDR OLED display, with even better brightness and higher refresh rates for incredibly smooth gaming. And for all the fans out there, yes, the classic, boxy, professional design isn't going anywhere. It's what makes the Xperia stand out from the crowd, and I'm here for it. Now let's look under the hood. For performance, leaks confirm Sony will be one of the very first manufacturers to use Qualcomm's next-gen Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. What does that mean for you? It means blazing fast performance, powerful AI-driven optimizations, and true console-level gaming right in your pocket. Pair that with at least 12 gigabytes of RAM and an improved cooling system, and you've got an absolute powerhouse that is more than ready for 2026. Of course, it wouldn't be a Sony phone without talking about the camera. Sony has always been about cameras, and the Xperia VIII is rumored to push boundaries once again. We're expecting a triple-lens setup with advanced ZEISS optics, significantly improved low-light performance, and possibly a new variable telephoto zoom lens. Creators are going to love the deep integration with Sony's Alpha camera technology, which essentially turns this phone into a mini professional rig for shooting on the go. So, the Sony Xperia VIII looks like it's shaping up to be a beast in 2026. We're talking a cinematic display, elite performance, and cameras that could genuinely rival DSLRs. But the big question is, will Sony finally break back into the mainstream with this device? What do you think? Will the Xperia VIII be the comeback Sony needs, or will it remain a niche device for creators? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, smash that like button if you're excited, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech deep dives. Thanks for watching.